Hi, I'm John Morod from YourNetBuddy.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page or squeeze page using Thrive Architect, the WordPress plugin. So if you're here because you're wondering where to start, I'm going to show you exactly what the purpose is of a landing page and how you can build one today. If you like what you see and you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're looking for a way to build a substantial income online, then please do check the link in the description where I can teach you a very simple, very user-friendly way of building an online business today. But for now, I'll show you how to build and use a landing page. Right, the first thing we need to do is to go to your WordPress website and log in to the name of your website followed by WP-login, and then you just log in. And then in the dashboard we just go to Pages, Add New, and then you would just give it a title. In this case I'm just going to call it Test 2, and then you would publish it straight away, and then you would launch Thrive Architect. You see the green button here. Once you've got the plugin installed, which I'll show you in another video, you just click on Launch Thrive Architect. So we want to click on a pre-built landing page, and then just want landing pages, and just a basic one really. Right, we're just going to go for a plain page. Click on Apply Template, bottom right hand corner, Apply Template. Right, all the elements that we need to add to our blank template are under this plus sign on the right hand side. So we need to just click on plus, and then we choose the element that we want. So I was thinking that the very simple landing page come squeeze page that we need to copy would be this one today. So it's just got a simple headline, a little bit more text here, then it's got your opt-in form, and it's also got the GDPR consent form, which is a legal requirement in the UK and I believe in the States as well. So let's just try and create this page here. Simpler the better at first. So we'll go back to our page here, and the first thing we need to do is add, we've got text here, then we've got a line breaking it up, and then we've got more text and another line and more text. So that's 1, 2, 3 lots of text and 2 lines. So let's just add that first. So first of all we need a text box. Then we need to add a line or a page break, a divider. They're calling it a divider. So we drop that in. Right, we'll go back here now. First of all, we'll copy this text here. And we'll go back here, we'll paste it in here. We'll center it, and instead of having it as paragraph, we'll make it heading 3. Yeah, that's not a bad size. Right, then we've got the line there. Now we need to bring in another text box. So as we pull it on, you can see it's asking us where do we want to drop this, below the divider or below the background section or above. We're going to put it above the background section but below the divider, just there. And this is where we're going to put the main heading. So we'll copy this here. And then again we'll highlight the text and we'll center it in this box here, and we'll make it heading 2. That's quite good. And while it's highlighted, if we go over here, we've got the font size, line height, line spacing, letter spacing, So we can go into line height and we can just spread them out a little bit like this. That'll do. And we'll go back into it again. We'll highlight just part of it up to the marketing, and that needs to be made red. So we'll click on here and we'll color it red. There we are. So it's starting to look like this one now. So now we need to add another line. Let's copy the text from here now. Of course, if you was preparing this from absolute scratch, you'd just have all these words that you wanted to use written down in a notepad and just copy and paste them from there to save time. But now we're going to go back into here and we're going to add another text box, this one here. And again, we want to drop it below this text. And we'll paste into there. And we'll just highlight the text again to make it a little bit bigger. Sorry, up here for making it bigger. Instead of it being paragraph, we'll try heading 4. Too big. Try heading 5. That's fine. And we need to center it. Okay. So if we go back to this one again, we needed a line just above it. So we'll go back into here, and it was called a divider, wasn't it? So if I type divider in the top this time, oops, divider, there it is. And this time I want to put it above that text, just there. That's it. And if I click on this here, I can actually change the line. Let's see, instead of having a solid line, we can have a dashed one. Just like that. And apply. That's it. And then we need to do the same with the top one. So a quick way of doing that is just, you can actually copy this one here. It's made a duplicate. And we can drag it up here. And just put it above that divider. And then this divider here we can delete. That's it, so we've got 2 now with broken lines. Right, let's look at our template. We now need to add the actual opt-in form and a button. So we'll go back to here and we'll go plus. And we need the form, so we just scroll down and here it is, lead generation. So we grab that form and we want it below the text. We choose the type of form that we want. We just want one with the name and email address. So we'll go for that one there. So click on the form. Right, I want to try and make this wider. So where it says 600 px, we can actually change that to maybe 900 px. Right, just need to change the padding on this to bring it down a bit. So we click on here and send that up. Click on that one. Try and bring it down a bit. That's it. Right, so what else do we need to add to it now? The GDPR. So the way to do that is click on the box and then go to main options, and we need to click on add new. And then in this field type we need to drop down and add GDPR checkbox, and then click apply. And it pops it in there. And then you can either leave it at the bottom as it is here, or you can move it around here. If you grab all of these little dots at the side here of the GDPR, just move it up so it's between the name and email. And it's got that there. And then we just need to, first of all, save your work. Save it, bottom left hand green button. And then we need to go to the edit form elements, which is up here. And then we can click in this box and just change the wording. So if we're just getting email contact with people, we can delete the telephone part. That's it. And then if you highlight the privacy policy, you can do a link here at the top here in this bar, click on link, and you can add in the URL to your privacy policy, which in my case I know is HTTPS. So, and you click on insert, open in new tab, insert. That's it. And then you click on done. There's a done here or a done at the bottom there. Just click on done because it's finished editing the form. And save your work. And that's it. You've got the opt-in form, the instant access to honest, direct and practical step-by-step video tutorials. You've got your main heading, Get Unstuck, with this free 12-step action plan for affiliate marketing, 2 clicks away. Proven to eliminate information overload. Proven to give crystal clear roadmap for beginner marketers. Then it just needs their name. They have to click in the content. If I actually have a preview of this on the button here, so we get a preview of what it looked like online, we can see that people will see the opt-in form and they can put their name in here and their email address, but they won't be able to send it because it'll come up with a warning if they don't click this box. So that's how you make a landing or squeeze page using Thrive Architect, and I hope you found that useful. So my name is John Morod. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video. And don't forget to click the link below if you're looking for a way to build a substantial income online. Please check the link in the description where I teach you a very simple, very user-friendly way of building an online business today.